Question number 1. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for this woman using a suitable method. Here the method we have to choose. Okay. Now number of heartbeats per minute. It's 65 to 68, 68 to 71 and so on. Now number of movements 2, 4, 3, 8 and so on. Here middle term is xi. Ui is equals to xi minus a upon h. You don't worry, I will explain. Fi ui, I will explain. And how to find mean, it will also. Okay, so let's start. Now here the difference between 68 and 65 is 3. To find it we have to minus 65 from 68. So it will be 3. And 3 is h, means class size. Class size is denoted as h. So we will write here h is equals to 3. Okay. Now we have taken out class size. Now we will do this midterm, means x. For this, it's a method that 68 plus 65 divided by 2. So to find this, we have to first plus this whole. So it will be 133. Okay, divided by 2 will be 66.5. Okay. Now for same this also, it's very long. So we will do a trick. We will use a trick here. Okay. Trick is that we have to, in this we have to plus this h. So 66.5 plus 3, it will be 69.5. So yeah guys, we have got the midpoint of this, midterm of this. Now we will find the other one, 69.5, and it will be 72.5 now, and then 75.5, 78.5 here, 81.5, and then it will be 84.5. Okay, this are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 we have find it. Okay, now we will find ui. Ui is equals to xi minus a upon h. Now see here, 1, 2, these are 7 numbers and mid one is this. So this is denoted as a. We will name it as a. Okay, now a always equals to 0 in ui. So it will be 0. Okay, it's long. We will use a trick. Okay, now the trick is that it is a, we know that, and this is lower than a, lesser than a, and this is greater than a. So it will be in minus and it will be in positive. So here 1, 2 and 3 comes here, -1, -2 and -3. Okay, now we have to find fi ui, means f ui into f1. So we will do 2 into -3, -6, 4 into -2, -8, and 3 into -1, it will be -3. Now 8 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7, 4 into 2, 8, and 2 into 3 will be 6. Okay, we have find it. And now for sigma fi we have to plus it. So first we will plus all this negative and then this positive. So answer of this negative will be -70 and answer of this will be 21. Okay, now we will do 21 minus 70. It will be 4. Okay, so we have find all this thing. We will put here. And first of all, you wanted to know that it is step division method we have used here. Okay, we remember that. So x bar is equals to a, means this, plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi ui we have find here, and this is given here, into h also we have find. So let's do it. See, sigma x bar is equals to 75.5 plus, we will put here values, that will be 4 upon 30 into 3. Okay, we have put this whole values as here, okay, according to the formula. Now it will be cut by 1 and 10. Okay, so now x bar is equal to 75.5 plus, what will be 4 upon 10 will be 0.4. Okay, so 0.4, it will be 75.9. So therefore x bar is equals to 75.9. Hey guys, we have find it. Question number 2. The following distribution shows the number of outdoor patients in 64 hospitals if the mean is 18. Find the missing frequencies F1 and F2. Okay, so guys, here we have to find the missing frequencies, that is F1 and F2. So first of all we have to find the class size. Okay, so 13 plus 11 will be 24, divided by 2 will be 12. Okay, this we have find midterm. Now we will find class size. Okay, so 13 minus 11 will be 2. Okay, so now we have to plus here 2. So 12 plus 2 will be 14. Then we have as done as earlier. Okay, 16, it will be 18, 20, 22 and 24. Okay, now we have to take 16 as 8. Okay, 16 is equals to 8. But why? Because of this F. Okay, so if we will make 16 A, that F1 will become here 0, and we will have easy to find this values. Okay, so we will do like this. Here will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. As I have done earlier, I have to like this. Now we will find Fi Ui. So 7 into minus 2, minus 14, 6 into minus 1, minus 6, F1 into 0, 0, 30 into 1 will be 13, F2 into 2 will be 2F2, 2F2. Now 5 into 3, 15, and 4 into 4 will be 16. So here we have find Fi Ui. Now we will add this on. But now I want to do a thing here. I have rounded. Why? Because we don't have to plus this. We just have to write it here. Okay, so we'll write it here. 2F2. Okay. Now we will plus that. So it will become minus 20, and it will be 44. So 44 minus 20 will be 24. So we will plus here 24. Okay. Now comes the turn of sigma Fi. My nose is so. Okay, now it's okay. So sigma Fi is equal to 64. But here we have F1 and F. So first we have to do here F1 plus F2 2. And now we plus the other value. So it will be 35 plus 30. Okay. Now what we will do? We will give 35 here. We will change its side. So 64 minus 35 it will be okay. It will be, so now we write here 29 is equals to F1 plus F2. Okay. For now we will do like do till this only. Afterwards we will see what happens. Okay. Now let's turn off the formula. Here we have given the mean, means x bar as 18. My voice also yeah. 18. Okay. Now we have right here 18 is equals to a, what we have, it's 16. So 16 plus sigma fi ui will be 2f2 plus 24. So right here in bracket 2f2 plus 24. Okay, upon sigma fi. We will take only 64, not this all. Okay. Now, so it will come here 64. H, here we know that it is 2. So right here into 2. Okay. Now 16 will go this side and it will 2 one side and 2 32. So it will cut, and as 16 goes here, its sign changes into minus, and 18 minus 16 is 2 is equals to 2f2 plus 24 upon 32. Okay, now 32 will move here and multiply with 2. So it will become 64. 64 is equals to 2f2 plus 24. Okay, now 24 will also go here. So it will be minus from 64 and it will become 40 is equals to 2f2. So 2 will come here and f2 is equals to 20. Hey guys, we got the value of f2. Amazing, right? Now we will find the value of f1. We know that 29 is equals to f1 plus f2. We will put it here. Okay, now 29 is equals to f1 plus f2. Okay, now we will write here 20 because we have find f2. Okay, so 29 is equals to f1 plus 20. As 20 goes here and f1 will become 9. f1 is equals to 9. So here guys, we have find the both f1 and f2, the frequencies.